centimeter, 9 centimeter and 4 centimeter. So first of all we have to choose the maximum length 9 centimeter, and thereafter we have to make an arc of 7 centimeter, and same on this arc we have to take the point of intersection with the length of 4 centimeter. Now here 7 centimeter, 9 centimeter and 4 centimeter are the sides of triangle ABC. Construct this E triangle, measure angle ABC. Second, an isosceles triangle has two sides of length 8 centimeter and one side is length of one side of length 4 centimeter. Find the size of all angles in the triangle. Draw an equilateral triangle with sides of length 4 centimeter. Draw the triangles with lengths 3, 4, 5 centimeter and 5, 12, 13 centimeter. What type of triangles are these? Draw the triangle with lengths 3, 4 and 7 centimeter. What happens? Can you explain why? Draw a triangle with lengths 3, 4 and 8 centimeter. What happens this time? Can you explain why? And can you make a conjecture of about what must be true in order to draw an SSS triangle? Here are some contents. S1, lines, angles and polygons. Parallel lines and angles, triangles, quadrilaterals, angles and polygons, congruence and similarity. Now labeling line segments. When a line has endpoints, we say that it has finite length. When a line has endpoints, we can say that it has finite length. Second, this is called a line segment. We usually label the endpoints with capital letters. For example, this line segment AB has endpoints A and B. We can call this line segment AB. Lines in a plane. A flat two-dimensional surface is called a plane. In two straight lines in a plane either intersect once like this. This is called the point of intersection. Or they are parallel to each other if there is no point of intersection. We use arrowhead to show that lines are parallel. Parallel lines will never meet, they stay an equidistant apart. We say that they are always equidistant. Vertically opposite angles. When two lines intersect, two pairs of vertically opposite angles are formed like this. Here angle A is equal to angle C and angle D is equal to angle B. Vertically opposite angles are equal. Perpendicular lines. What is special about the angles at the point of intersection here? A, B, C, D. Here A is equal to C and B is equal to D in angles at and all are equal to 90 degree because the line segments are vertical or mutual perpendicular to each other. Lines that intersect at right angles are called perpendicular lines. The distance from a point to a line. What is the shortest distance from a point to a line? If this is a straight line and this is the point O, and we have the various line segments like this and this total 5 line segments, then what will be the shortest distance? So here we have to note that the perpendicular distance will be the shortest distance. The shortest distance from a point to a line is always the perpendicular distance.